Investing, it's not as complicated as you might think. We're here to break it down, all from your phone. This week, we're looking at when is the right time to invest. I was once having a chat with a friend of mine and asked her what was her greatest investing regret. She said it was that she wished she'd started sooner. One of the main benefits from starting earlier is compound interest, and that's the interest you earn on interest. By reinvesting the interest, you could earn more interest down the line, even if you started at 20 years old, invested just £10 a month in the stock market. When you hit 40, thanks to the 10% average stock market increase and compound interest, you could have almost tripled what you put in. Starting with even a little could be a great step towards investing in your future. See what you might be able to put aside to invest in on a regular basis by using Samsung Pay Plus so you can manage your money in one place. Only invest what you can afford to lose.